Milad nabi speech, in English. Respected Chairman, scholars, students and friends, good morning. Milad nabi is the celebration of the birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. As we know, the 12th Rabi al-Awwal is the date of birth of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Muslims attributes their praises towards Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The prosperous people arrange programs to feed the poor. It is a blessings for the universe and the whole humanity that on this day Allah sent a messenger. Dear friends, my role model is my leader, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Yes, our Prophet is the great personality in the world. The most influential people humanity has ever witnessed. On this day leaders make speeches on life and ideal of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The main purpose is to notify the young people about the Prophet's lifestyles and his teachings. He is the best and the greatest of all prophets. He is the highest of all mankind and best creation of Allah. He was a man of exceptional vision and administrative talent who commanded armies in battle. He endured great hardship to spread his message, the truth given to him by Allah. Prophet teaches the humankind in helping the poor, obeying parents, respecting the elderly, paying charity, respecting people of all religions, doing good deeds in general in any shape. Islam do not promote hate or murders or bloodshed. Islam is a religion of peace. It is a light beam into the path of heaven. I conclude my words by quoting of Prophet's hadith. The best among you are those who have the best manners and characters.